Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this is the DJI Osmo Nano, the small wearable camera that's been designed to capture all of life's moments. This is a really cool new design from DJI, so I thought I would show you everything that comes in the standard combo, as that's what I've got right here, and then we can look at the spec. So this is everything that comes in the standard combo. So we have the Osmo Nano main camera just here, along with the Multifunctional Vision Dock. You also get the protective case for the camera, a magnetic quick release hat clip, the magnetic lanyard, which is really cool for doing those POV style shots, a dual direction ball mount as well, again with the magnetic quick release, and also the USB-C cable. And I think you get quite a good amount of stuff, especially considering you get all of these mounts, which you can use individually or these two together to capture some really cool content. The DJI Osmo Nano features an all-new next-generation 1/1.3-inch sensor and a high-performance image processor, delivering crisp, detailed shots even in low-lit or bright sunlit conditions. A 143-degree wide field of view, which is actually wider than that on the Osmo Actions. So this is going to be perfect for fitting loads more in your frame, whether that is action sports scenes, landscapes while you're traveling, or just those everyday moments that you want to remember. We've got 4K 60p recording with up to 13.5 stops of dynamic range, slow motion recording in 4K at 120p, so you really can slow things down to get that really nice smooth cinematic look and feel, along with internal 10-bit recording and D-Log-M color performance modes for greater flexibility in post-production. To help with those cinematic results, the Osmo Nano features 2 stabilization modes. We've got horizon balancing, which will correct any horizon tilts, and Rock Steady 3.0, which is going to reduce any unwanted camera shake. You can easily switch between horizontal and vertical shooting for greater flexibility when it comes to your compositions. And for easier shooting, you can set Nano up to start recording by either gently nodding at the camera or by patting it. There's also pre-record, so you don't need to worry about ever missing any of those key moments. And we've got super night mode, so if you enjoy shooting in low lit conditions, that is the mode for you because it will enhance the image quality. The camera itself is waterproof down to 10 meters without the need of any additional housing. So of course we're about to go and test that out. Firstly though, we just need to remove the multifunctional vision dock because this thing is not waterproof. When you've got the vision dock attached to the camera, it then offers you an IPX4 rated splash resistance, which is going to be good at protecting you from rain, minor splashes and things like sweat. So it'll be really handy if you are filming things like your workouts, runs, bike rides, hikes, or anything where you're going to get sweaty. Speaking of the multifunctional vision dock, I really love the fact that you can take it off the camera and while it's still turned on, use it as a live view and remote control. So you can have your camera mounted somewhere away from you and then control it all, start, stop recording, frame your shots, change your settings from the vision dock. Its magnetic design allows the camera to be mounted in either direction, which is really cool, as again, it just means that you're able to frame your shots and see what it is that you're shooting, whether that is the scenery or yourself. So depending on what you want to capture, you can easily swap it around to suit. It also supports fast charging, where it only takes you 20 minutes for the main camera to reach 80% and gives you a longer operating time. So if you're recording 1080p video at 24 frames per second, you can get up to 200 minutes, whereas the main camera on its own will do 90. The camera does also have a new endurance mode, which allows you to record continuously in 4K 60 for over 50 minutes. And while you can't remove the battery and therefore you can't carry spares with you, it does have a USB-C port, so when you're out and about and in need of an extra boost, you can just plug in a power bank. We've got 2 built-in microphones giving you stereo recording, and with Osmo Audio, you're able to connect up to 2 transmitters without the receiver, ensuring that you always have crisp and clear audio. There's a 128GB internal storage, and the Multifunctional Vision Dock features a built-in micro SD card slot, so you can easily export all of your footage off the camera onto the memory card in a single tap. I actually think the Osmo Nano makes a great addition to DJI's camera lineup. It's unique in its design, offering you a ultra lightweight, easily wearable, high quality camera, and I think it'd be really great for those of you that like creating that immersive POV style of content without the bulkiness of having a traditional action camera strapped to you, or those of you that just want something small that you can take with you everywhere and record everything from travel, holidays, to those daily vlogs. Now, if you'd like to find out any more information on the DJI Osmo Nano, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!